Hello students, on Monday's class we had completed chapter 3. Today we will start new chapter calculator. It is in page number 38. So let's start. Calculator. It is an electronic hardware device or software capable of performing mathematical calculations such as addition, multiplication, subtraction or division. The Casio Computer Company developed the first electronic calculator in 1957. Since then, calculators have came in many sizes and they are also built into most operating system on computers as well as smartphones and tablets. Calculator software program is included in every version of Microsoft Windows. See, this is a calculator software application of Windows that you can see in your screen, this one. Now we will see how to open this calculator application on Windows. So, first of all we will click on Start menu. Then we will type calculator on the search box. See, here is calculator. We will click on it to open calculator. See, this was the first method to open calculator on Windows. Now we will see the second method, which is using Run dialog box. First of all, we will open the Run dialog box using the combination of Window key and R key. Window key and R key. See, Run dialog box has been opened. Now we will type CALC for calculator here. Then we will press enter. See, calculator app has been opened. This was the second method. You can choose any of these two methods, whichever suits you. See, in your book page number 38, a photo of the calculator is given there. See, this one, page number 38. This is the same Windows calculator that I have shown you. This one. Okay. Now see, modes. The calculator app comes with 4 modes: standard, scientific, programmer and converter. These modes provide different functionality and fulfill distinct needs of the users. Switching between the different modes is very easy. So it says there are 4 modes in calculator, that is standard, scientific, programmer and converter. These modes are available here, see, in calculator. Under this view tab, all the 4 modes are here. See, standard, scientific, programmer, statistics, etc. And converter is there, basic, unit conversion. So using the view tab, we can switch between different modes. The default mode is standard mode, means when we will open calculator app, then it will be in standard mode only. If we want to use another mode, then we can change the mode using view tab here. Now let's discuss about standard mode. Standard mode is used to perform simple basic calculations like addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, square root, percentages and fractions. See, I will show you some examples. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. See here, C button is there. This button is used to clear the display. So we will press this C button to clear. Again we will do some calculation. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4, clear. 5 multiplied by 4 is equal to 20, clear. 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4, clear. Now we will calculate the square root. See, 49 and here is square root symbol here. So square root of 49 is 7. Okay, now clear. Now we will calculate percentage. See, 50 into 25%. This means 25% of 50 is 12.5. Now I will press this button. Clear? See this button 1 by x. What is the use of this button? This button is used to get the value of a fractional number like 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 10, 1 by 25, anything. So if we want to get the value of any fractional number with 1 in the numerator, then we will use this button. So suppose I want to get the value of 1 by 8. So I will press 8 first, then I will press this button. See, the value of 1 by 8 is 0.125. Now I will see what is 1 by 4. First I will press 4, then this 1 by x, 0.25. So these are some of the calculations that we can do using standard mode. Now we will change the mode of the calculator. We will make it scientific. See, the interface of the calculator has been changed. Now we have extra buttons to work with. This is a scientific mode. It has been designed to perform advanced calculations like trigonometric functions in degrees and radians. See these buttons, sine, cos, tan, these all are trigonometric functions. We can also get square of any number very easily using this mode. See, 8, then I will press this x square symbol. See, 64 means the square root of 8 is 64. We can calculate cube very easily. See, 3, then this x cube button, the cube of 3 is 27. So these all are the additional functions that we get in scientific mode. So that's all for today, students. Next class we will continue with this chapter. Practice at your home. Take care. Thank you.